Good evening. Today is March, May the 21st, 2023. I'm recording a video that what I cook on a Sunday dinner. I have baked ham. I have baked pork chops. I have turkey legs and turkey wings. I have long grain rice, wild rice. I have some candy yams. In the back over there, I have some stuffing. So this is what it looked like all together. It is the stuffing, potatoes, rice, and that was the ham. I'm gonna get some more ham. And then over here we have blackberry pie. And then we have a drink, my Sprite drink. And these wonderful, wonderful Mother's Day after the fact gift. But anyway, let me know what you guys did on May the 21st, 2023. I stayed up. I had my food cooked by 12 o'clock. And I was really enjoying some church music. And church from Louisiana, Greater Faith Baptist Church in Bachelor, Louisiana. It's a home church from back when I was a kid growing up in Louisiana. You guys have a blessed evening, and I hope your Sunday was very, very wonderful, and be blessed. Oh, comment, subscribe, like, and share. Goodbye.